If shower water is already rising around your feet, don't add another drain cleaner. The blockage is usually hair and soap buildup, and you can often remove it directly. First, take off the drain cover and pull out any visible hair using a plastic drain tool or suitable hook. Wear gloves, place the material directly into a bag, and avoid pushing it farther down the pipe. If the drain remains blocked, remove as much standing water as possible and use a shower-safe plunger. Add enough water to cover the plunger's rim, create a firm seal over the drain, and use controlled strokes. The goal is to move the obstruction back and forth until it breaks free. For a deeper clog, feed a hand-operated drain snake into the pipe. Rotate it as you advance, then withdraw it slowly. Remove the collected material, clean the tool, and repeat until water drains freely. Flush the line with hot tap water, not boiling water, which can damage some plastic plumbing. Never combine chemical drain cleaners or plunge a drain containing them. The liquid can splash back and cause severe burns. Tell a plumber if chemicals have already been used. If the shower, toilet, and nearby sink are all backing up, the blockage may be in a shared drain or sewer line. Stop running water and arrange professional service. Once the water clears, reinstall the cover and test the drain with a full shower flow, like this procedure before the next blockage turns into standing water.